Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting and incredibly useful, homemade cleaning sprays. But first, have you ever wondered what's actually in those store-bought cleaners under your sink and how much you could save by making your own? Well, stick around because we're going to explore all of that and more. Let's start with a simple question. What do you usually do with leftover lemon rinds and rosemary sprigs? If you're thinking not much, then I've got a delightful surprise for you. How about turning them into a powerful, all-natural cleaning spray? Let's get into our first recipe, the scented all-purpose cleaner. You'll need 1 part white vinegar, 1 part water, some lemon rinds, and a few sprigs of rosemary. Just combine these in a spray bottle, give it a good shake, and let it infuse for a week. It's great for tackling hard water stains, trash cans, and even wall smudges. And if you're not a fan of lemon, how about orange rinds, cloves, or cinnamon sticks for a change? Remember, it's not suitable for granite, so avoid applying on it and check stainless steel guidelines. Moving on to our second recipe, the all-purpose cleaner with dish soap. You just need a 1/4 teaspoon of dish soap, a cup of water, and if you like, 6 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix them in a spray bottle. This one's a champ against greasy fingerprints and works wonders on stainless steel appliances. Just remember, it's not suitable for wood surfaces. Now, who here struggles with keeping their windows and mirrors streak-free? Our third recipe is a DIY glass cleaner that will change your life. Grab 2 cups of water, half a cup of white or cider vinegar, a 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol, and maybe a drop or 2 of orange essential oil. Mix it up, spray it on a soft cloth, and watch the magic happen, especially on cooler days to avoid streaks. Got a stubborn carpet stain? No worries. Our fourth recipe is a simple carpet stain cleaner. Mix a 1/4 teaspoon of liquid dish soap with a cup of water, spritz it on the stain, and blot away with a microfiber cloth. Rinse with clean water, let it air dry, and the stain is gone. Last but definitely not least, let's freshen up our space with a homemade air freshener spray. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda with 6 drops of essential oil, add it to a spray bottle filled with water, and shake it up. It's perfect for deodorizing those tricky spots like trash cans in bathrooms. While we shake this up, always remember to shake well before each use. Let's talk about baking soda. Known for its scrubbing power, baking soda can be added to any homemade spray to tackle those tougher stains. Have you ever used baking soda in your cleaning routine? What was your experience? Now that we have our spray ready, always remember to test it on a small area first. Safety first, right? Speaking of safety, it's crucial not to mix vinegar with bleach. Can anyone tell me why? That's right, it releases toxic fumes. Look at that shine, and it smells amazing too. Now I store these sprays in a cool, dark place to keep them effective longer. Remember, homemade doesn't mean unlimited shelf life. How do you keep track of when it's time to dispose of your homemade cleaners? And speaking of disposal, always do it responsibly to keep our environment safe. So there you have it, folks. 5 easy, eco-friendly, and effective homemade cleaning spray recipes. Which one are you going to try first? Do you have a favorite scent or maybe a cleaning challenge you want to tackle? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today. If you tried making your own spray, I'd love to hear about it. Share your stories. And if you have questions, I'm here to help. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome content, and don't forget to share your experiences with these recipes in the comments. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep your homes clean and your planet greener.